Good morning and happy Monday. This is our third week of at-home learning, and this week we are going to finish up our animal research project. Last week you guys completed the animal research form where you took some time, went through the week and answered as many questions, filled out as much information you could about the animal that you picked to research. So this week we are going to turn that research, which is essentially just a list. I didn't ask you to write complete sentences or really put it together, so you could have just wrote one or two words on each thing as you went. But this week we're going to turn that into an actual paper to practice our writing. Today we're just going to focus on two of those essential questions. So first you're going to tell me what animal did you research and why. We're going to be using complete sentences where we start with a capital letter, have nice neat spaces, and end with punctuation. And then you're going to describe your animal, and that's actually going to be broken up into two sections. So the first part, which animal did you research and why? That is going to be our introduction. And then the second part, describe your animal. That is going to essentially be the first paragraph or the body of your paper. So I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to use Chloe's example. Chloe did monkeys. So I'm going to use some of the information that Chloe used on her paper to help you formulate some sentences and kind of get started. You are free to use some of the sentences that I did and change them for your animal to help you get started today. Another option is once you get it all on notebook paper, if you would like to type it nice and neat for me, you are also able to do that. So there's different ways that you can turn it in on Thursday. So again, today we're going to be taking those two questions. What animal did you research and why? And then also describe your answer to turn that into a research paper. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here to switch over so that you can see my examples.